Hi and welcome to week 2 of our Summer Bug Club. We hope you've had a good week and you found lots of insects. Today we're going to look more closely at butterflies and moths. So let's get started.
Did you know that in Britain and Ireland there are approximately 2,500 species of moth and only 73 species of butterfly?
Do you know the difference between a butterfly and a moth? Butterflies tend to fold their wings up over their back. You can see that in this photograph. Moths hold their wings in a tent-like position that hides the abdomen, and you can see that in this photo.
Amazing fact, moths come in all different shapes and sizes. Some are as small as a pinhead and some are as big as a man's palm.
Do you know what butterflies and moths do? They have a completely liquid diet of nectar, juices and animal dung. Nectar is found in flowers and is full of sugars which provide the energy that they need. During the feeding on flowers, they are also pollinating them. Let us have a closer look now at how they do feed. In this photograph you can see a curled up ring under the chin of this butterfly. This is called a proboscis and it's like a straw that they use to drink the nectar. In this photograph you can see that the butterfly is using the proboscis to drink the nectar. In this video you can see the butterfly putting its proboscis in each of the tiny flowers. You can see the moth doing the same in this video. There are 4 stages to complete the life cycle and transformation or metamorphosis of butterflies and moths, from egg to caterpillar, pupa and finally adult. The egg stage lasts anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks. The caterpillar stage lasts between 2 and 5 weeks and is the most dangerous stage of the life cycle.
Did you know that blue tits can feed their chicks up to 10,000 caterpillars? That's amazing!
Because the caterpillar stage is so dangerous, they use various techniques to disguise themselves to look like plants, or they use striped colours to ward off birds who think they're poisonous. The next stage, pupa, can last between 3 and 5 weeks, but some will go over winter. This is where the biggest transformation is made. In this photo you can see a scarlet tiger moth that's just emerged from its pupa. That's why its wings are all crumpled. It'll spend some time pumping them to straighten them out. The adult stage may only last between 2 and 4 weeks, and during that time the female will lay up to 300 eggs. Some do hibernate over winter as adults.
Amazing fact, the wing of a butterfly and moth is actually transparent. It's made from the same material as the exoskeleton, and it's covered in thousands of tiny scales that reflect colour, as you can see in this photo.
I hope you can see that this peacock butterfly is now vibrating its wings. That's what it does in order to try and warm itself up. You wouldn't know it was so beautiful inside, because that's its camouflage.
Amazing fact, butterflies and moths taste with their feet.
We hope you've enjoyed today's club. Next week we're going to talk about flies. Ugh, we hear you say, but they're really interesting and very important insects. So we'll see you next week. Have a good time. Bye.